decided to live a life different than other men. And quite a few would agree to the idea that I ain't got a lot of good sense. I'll admit, sometimes it gets lonely every now and then. I'm traveling the road lonesome again. I don't always know why I do what I do. I don't wish anybody any ill intent. But a false belief in normalcy is something I could never comprehend. Doesn't matter where I'm going, doesn't matter where I've been. I'm traveling the road lonesome again. The miles I've had trials and I always overcome. I conspire to do what's required and write down the words that I'm shown. There's a vision that I have been given. Don't have all the answers, but I think I have some. And for now, I gotta make this journey alone. I'm pretty good being happy, and I keep myself content. But sometimes I really wish that the good Lord would present someone I can lean on, someone on whom I can depend. But I'm traveling the road lonesome. There are ups and downs on every corner around. I never know what life holds in store. Maybe breaking my back, taking the path that I'm shown. I may seem proud, but I think I found another world that I need to explore. And for now, I gotta make this journey alone. I suppose this lonely road will someday come to an end. For now, it feels like this old guitar is my only friend. When you have a road you need to follow, there are things you have to suspend. I'm traveling the road lonesome again. So I'm traveling the road lonesome.